You might not believe it. There is a type of carbon black that costs less than half of virgin carbon black and reduces carbon emissions by nearly 80%. How is this possible? Virgin carbon black relies on heavy oil and coal tar, which are expensive and produce high emissions. In contrast, the raw material for pyrolytic carbon black used tires adds up to billions produced worldwide every year, piling up in landfills, unable to be buried or burned. Where does the potential come from? The answer lies in pyrolysis. For every ton of pyrolytic carbon black produced, 3 tons of wastetires are consumed, and about 2.8 tons of CO2 emissions are reduced. After undergoing fine grinding and chemical modification, it has already been effectively substituted in many applications, such as tire sidewalls, conveyor belts, black masterbatches, engineering plastics, conductive materials, inks and coatings, and asphalt modification. It can even partially replace industrial-grade carbon blacks like N330 and N550. What's even more important is that this value-added upgrade turns low-value carbon black into a high-profit resource, significantly improving the overall profitability of pyrolysis projects. Pyrolytic oil plus recycled carbon black. It is evolving from a low-cost substitute into a core material for sustainable manufacturing. Now, here's the question. Would your industry be willing to try this green black gold? If the performance of pyrolytic carbon black improves further, would you completely switch from virgin carbon black? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know if you'd like to tweak anything.